High class, as promised, I'm wrapping up my review on those SCOR models. So I ended the last video on British American tobacco. So I'm going to continue from where I left off. So the usual: plan, source, make, deliver, return. And British American Tobacco, a very old company. Plan, compliance with health regulations around tobacco. All right. We've seen time and time again where these type organizations have been faced with these very strict regulations, and ever so often they get more and more they're more and more difficult to comply with. All right, and we know why. All right, the products that they manufacture. Better understanding of consumer styles. So, well, in terms of planning, you should, or you may want to understand consumer behavior as you go along. That should be part of your long-term plan. Consumer behavior change from time to time. Demographics, yes, that's important. Developing various product types to meet the different lifestyle requirements. Yes, indeed, true. Sourcing. So when we get to source, we think sourcing, and when we talk about sourcing, we talk about acquiring goods and services from suppliers. All right, so I see here additives from third parties. All right, or third tier suppliers, or, well, I'm not sure if that's what you're referring to. Attractive or more favorable terms and conditions, terms for independent tobacco leaves producers. Yes, that is a sourcing issue, definitely. All right, so sourcing will definitely relate to that. Support farmers in local, or support local farmers in the acquisition of land. Yes, that is a sustainability maybe KPI or a sustainability initiative. So I'm seeing here technically qualifying tobacco suppliers, yes, for quality tobacco leaves and sustainable farming process. Yes, definitely. Make. So make reminds us of manufacturing in the main, right? So, okay, we see what they manufacture. Yes, right. Tobacco products, right? They don't want to mention the names, really. Deliver. Oh, by the way, in terms of make, you can explore how these items are made. If it's make or buy or make to order, I would think it would be make to stock. Sorry, make to stock versus make to order. All right, it will be make to stock rather than make to order. In terms of how they make or manufacture these items, you may want to speak about or consider automation. That can be part of the whole manufacturing process. Quality can be part of it too. Deliver. Seeing here, optimize local distribution to wholesalers. Yes. Stringent quality control assurance prior to shipping. Definitely. Yes, those points are quite valid. In terms of return, replacement products or damaged products. Yes, and a return policy will take care of that. Warranty on these type of products as well. I don't want to mention these products verbally. I just don't want the name mentioned in the video, but yes, definitely. I think you might have missed out something. Enable, right? We did say that enable relates to risk management and a whole monitoring framework, right? So risk management and monitoring can be achieved through the organization establishing the relevant KPIs. Yes. Benchmarking can be mentioned too in enable, right? So plan, source, make, deliver, return, enable. That will wrap it up for British American Tobacco. Hey, then we move into that's a blank screen. Let me go back. I think that's it there. Okay, I know I did Lego, yes. I believe I did Zara as well. Alright, yeah, I think that's it. Thank you.